So all over world there is a great emphasis on third party insurance. But see, mostly our youth, younger population, they do not understand the importance of third party insurance. So it is hereby we are trying to inform to all citizens of India in general that don't move without license, don't move without proper third party insurance. All the companies, insurance companies, whether private or general, they are doing third party insurance. So when you bring your vehicle on a public place, it is to be compulsorily insured. Without insurance, don't bring your vehicle on public road because it is very dangerous. Once award is given against you, it could wipe out your entire family income. हजारों लाखों करोड़ों का अवार्ड आ सकता है. लास्ट टाइम 9 करोड़ 6 करोड़ तक के अवार्ड आ चुके हैं. सो रिमेंबर, डोंट ब्रिंग योर व्हीकल विदाउट थर्ड पार्टी इंश्योरेंस. जो व्यक्ति थर्ड पार्टी रोड विक्टिम इंजर्ड होता है, डेथ होती है, they are able to recover n number of amount, any number of amount in the court of law. कोर्ट MACT कहलाती है, मोटर एक्सीडेंट क्लेम ट्रिब्यूनल स्पेशल कोर्ट्स है. दीज कोर्ट्स आर कंस्टिट्यूटेड बाय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अंडर सेक्शन 110 ऑफ मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट. मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट में स्पेशल प्रोविज़न के द्वारा MACT मोटर एक्सीडेंट क्लेम ट्रिब्यूनल को बनाया गया है. दीज आर द कोर्ट्स वेयर यू कैन ब्रिंग थर्ड पार्टी एक्सीडेंट केस. ये कोर्ट्स जो हैं मिनिमम ADJ लेवल की होती हैं और यहाँ पर हम अपना केस ले जा सकते हैं. थर्ड पार्टी मोटर इंश्योरेंस जो बनाया गया है प्रोविज़न, वो उन पुअर विक्टिम्स के लिए है जिनको कोर्ट द्वारा कंपेंसेशन दिया जाना है. अंडर सेक्शन 140 एंड 166 one can file application in MACT court. Section 140 is for no fault liability. जहाँ हमें प्रूव नहीं करना, you need not to prove that who was at fault, whether it was your fault or vehicle owners or vehicle drivers fault. Under section 140 you are entitled to get interim compensation, and under 166 you have to prove negligence of driver. Once you prove negligence of driver, then you can get award as much as court gives you. There is no limit. Now how court will decide? Court will take into consideration your present status, your earning capacity, your dependency, and what are the expenses you have incurred towards treatment, etc. So based on various factors, courts gives award that goes against insured, that goes against insurance company if insured has taken policy and it is effective. So act is very clear. It is benevolent act and it is favoring road victims. It should favor road victims, and road victims are able to recover amount as interim compensation under section 140 and as final award under section 166. Now who is third party? Question is, who is third party? So anyone other than owner of the vehicle is third party. Even occupants who are sitting in the car, they are third party. Driver is a third party, labor is a third party. Every other person other than owner of the vehicle is considered as third party. They can all go against owner of the vehicle in case there is any injury, bodily injury or death to third party. Owner cannot be a third party because owner cannot sue uh, in the court against himself. So barring owner, everybody is considered as third party. Now coming to the question of driver, cleaner, labor, conductor, etc. Those who are employed by uh, owner of the vehicle, the requirement is that these persons, because they are to be covered under WC Act also, so these labor, conductor, driver, etc., those who are employed by employer,